Welcome to Kerin Oxtail Kitchen. Yes, I'm going to prepare some oxtail, and this is what I'm going to use in my oxtail all this season. And you know already, this is my blend up season, which is my onion, my scallion, my thyme, my garlics, my ginger, every little thing I blend up in this. So this is my blend up season, and I'm going to use some Maggi all-purpose, some black pepper, some gravy master to give it a nice brown color, and this is my abdul, and this is some pimento seed, and also I have my Cajun seasoning. So this is what I'm going to use for my stuff right now. So this is my oxtail. So what I'm going to do now, see how we have all these, a lot of fat on it. Oxtail is very fatty. So what we're going to do, I'm going to trim off some of these fat off it. So this is all my waste fat. This is not gonna use. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my meat, and I want to wash it with some vinegar in my meat. I don't have those excess fat what I had on it, okay? Yeah, these boys are so big because I bought them at BJ's. So BJ's doesn't cut them oxtail as small as when you buy from the butcher. Clean utensil, never use a dirty one. See, this is what it look like. Yeah, all my onion, my scallion, my thyme, my garlic, my little ginger, every hot pepper, bell pepper. So I'm going to use like 3. Yeah. So that's it. See, I do not let it touch the meat. I just flash it and put it back. Don't never let it, if it touch the meat, you cannot go back here. Touch the meat. Don't go back here. Finish. This is give it a nice brown color. So this is it. So I'm going to leave it to marinate for about a few hours before I cook it. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, welcome back. Now the oxtail is over how many hours marinated. So now I'm just going to do my pressure cooker. I don't have no time, because if I do this regular cooking, it's going to take me at least like 3 hours. I have no time for that. So I'm going to do the short pressure cooker. So now the pressure cooker is on the stove already heated, and remember I cut all the fat off, so I will still have fats on. So what I'm going to do is put it in no oil. Look, no oil is in the pot, so I just sizzle it. Ooh, yeah. So it's oxtail, so it springs a lot of oil. So I don't have to put in oil. You see what I do? I take it out of, so this is after I cook. This is all the marinade sauce. So all I do now, put some water in. Put a light. So the meat is covered with water. So I'm going to pressure this now for around 20 minutes. So I'm going to put the pressure cooker. For 20 minutes and it's okay. Now the pressure cooker has calmed down and cooled down and everything, so I guess I could open it. See? Yes, it could open. So ta-da! Okay. So see, oh yeah, see? The meat is soft and everything. So I have I'm going to put my marinated sauce. Remember I told you I left it over, so I'm going to put it in now. I drain a can of beans. So this is butter beans, so I'm going to put the butter bean in. And for it to get some nice thick gravy sauce, I'm going to put some ketchup. Turn my stove back on. And then now, look at it. So I'm going to let it cook for another 10 minutes. Then that's it. Kerine Up Top Kitchen. Yes. Okay guys, this is the result of my oxtail and butter beans, and I have some mashed potato right there, and I have some baby spinach right there. So you know, and I have my oxtail, yeah, and my butter bean. Oh Lord, looking real good. So you know the result. What is this going to take care of? I'm going to take care of these nice meat. That's the butter bean. The meat is very tender. See, look how tender it is. Very tender off the bone. Very tender. The pimento seed. Soft, delicious, flavor, gummy. Oh, very, very gummy. Look. Can't ask for a better oxtail. Real gummy, nice oxtail. See, just slide right off the bone. That's what a pressure cooker do. Delicious. Right off the bone.